Greetings, salutations, and a very good evening, dear parents. I am profoundly joyous and honored to have the opportunity to welcome everyone to our very first virtual annual day this evening. In view of the COVID 19 outbreak across the world, we are following the norms of social distancing and keeping ourselves in the confines of our homes. All schools and colleges have been shut down to contain the spread of this novel coronavirus. It was expected that the shutdown would impact the learning process to a great extent, but it is actually not the case. All thanks to Zoom technology for keeping the teaching learning process intact and for helping us stay connected virtually. Now, I would like to call upon Sirisha to introduce the theme of our first virtual annual day. Over to Sirisha.
On behalf of our principal, teachers and students of class 8 and 9, I welcome you all to this very special annual day event. The theme for Daksha Virtual Annual Day Event 2020 is gratitude. Especially during this stressful year, it's important to reflect on the blessings we have received. Gratitude is something that we should be able to express on any occasion, no matter how big or small the occasion is. So let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom.
Dance is a form of communication which brings out our innermost feelings. It depicts the cultural aspects of civilization. Here we have Brahmani to perform the welcome dance through the Kuchipudi dance form.
मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना हिः स्वागतं कृष्ण चरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना हिः स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना हिः स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरापुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना हिः स्वागतं कृष्ण कृष्ण मुष्टिकासूरचानूरमल्ल मल्लविशारद मधुसूदन मुष्टिकासूरचानूरमल्ल मल्लविशारद मधुसूदन मुष्टिकासूरचानूरमल्ल मल्लविशारद कुवलयपीठ मर्दन कलिङ्गनर्दन गोकुलरक्षण सकल सुलक्षण देवा मर्दन कलिङ्गनर्दन गोकुलरक्षण सकल सुलक्षण देवा शिष्ट जनपाल संकल्प कल्प कल्प शतकोटि असमपराभव शिष्ट जनपाल संकल्प कल्प कल्प शतकोटि असमपराभव वीर मुनि जन विहार मदन सुकुमार दैत्य संहार देवा वीर मुनि जन विहार मदन सुकुमार दैत्य संहार देवा मधुर मधुर रति साहस साहस व्रज युवती जनमानस पूजित मधुर मधुर रति साहस साहस व्रज युवती जनमानस पूजित दप गरि पगरि सदसा सरि ग पद स द प गरि पगरि सदसा स सरि रि ग ग पद स स द प प गरि रि पगरि सदसा सरि ग रि ग प ग पद स द प गरि पगरि सदसा द प गरि पगरि सदसा द प गरि पगरि सदसा तकतरि कुकुतन किट तकदीम तकतरि कुकुतन किट तकदीम तकतरि कुकुतन किट तकदीम तकतरि कुकुतन किट
Thank you, Brahmani. That was an awesome performance indeed.
Now, we have Apurva, Anjali, Shripad and Saket with a song that expresses gratitude to God and tells us how powerful our devotion to God is.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज, तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। हाँ, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह, तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु।
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, friends. We undeniably experienced heavenly bliss listening to this song.
The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Let us now welcome the children of class 9 who are here to express their gratitude to life itself through the song Suraj Ki Baahon Mein from the movie Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसको प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही जो भी कल तक बस का आरज़ू आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ शहर में घूमेंगे साथ साथ सारे सारे दिन सारी सारी रात बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी
That was a well compiled dance performance from the students of class 9. Yes, it is one life that we've got. So let us celebrate every moment of it and be grateful for every breath we take.
ప్రతి మనిషికి త్యాగగుణం ఉండాలని, అలాగే ఇతరుల నుండి సహాయం పొందిన వారు కృతజ్ఞతను కలిగి ఉండాలని తెలిపే ఓ చిన్న నాటికను చూడండి.
హిరణ్యకశపుని కుమారుడైన ప్రహ్లాదుని మనవడు శివి చక్రవర్తి. అతను రాక్షసుల రాజు అయినప్పటికీ అతనిలోని గొప్ప గుణాలు మనం ఆదర్శంగా తీసుకోదగినటువంటివి. అతని జీవితంలో ఒక సంఘటన చిన్న నాటిక ద్వారా చూద్దాము. శివి చక్రవర్తి సభామందిరంలో ఆసీనుడై ఉన్నాడు. ఇంతలో
మహారాజా మహారాజా నన్ను కాపాడండి, దేగ నన్ను చంపి తినడానికి వెంటాడుతుంది.
కపోత్తమ, మీకు ఎలాంటి ప్రాణహాని కలగదని నేను అభయమిస్తున్నాను, భయపడకు.
రాజా, ఈ పావురం విధి నాకు ప్రసాదించిన ఆహారం. దీనిని మీరు కాపాడుతానని చెప్పడం సరైనది కాదు.
ఆశ్రయం కోరిన వారిని రక్షించడం క్షత్రియ ధర్మం. కావున ఈ పావురాన్ని నేను విడిచిపెట్టలేను.
రాజా, ఆకలి బాధతో నేను చనిపోయినట్లయితే నా భార్య పిల్లలు కూడా బ్రతుకజాలరు. ఒక్క పావురాన్ని కాపాడడం కోసం ఇందరిని హింసించడం మీకు ధర్మం కాదు.
ఓ పక్షి రాజా, నీ ఆకలి తీర్చడం కోసం ఈ పక్షి తప్ప ఇంకేమి కావాలన్నా ఇస్తాను, అడుగు.
రాజా, అయితే మీ కుడితొడ నుండి పావురంతో సమానమైన ఆహారాన్ని కోసి ఇవ్వండి.
మహావిగౌతమ, నా మీద చూపిన దయకు కృతజ్ఞుడిని.
మహారాజా, నా ప్రాణాలు కాపాడడానికి మీరు చేస్తున్న ఈ త్యాగానికి నేను చాలా కృతజ్ఞురాలిని. మీ మేలు ఈ జన్మలో నేను ఎప్పుడూ మరవలేను.
క్షత్రియుడిగా నేను నా ధర్మాన్ని నిర్వర్తిస్తున్నాను. మీ కృతజ్ఞతకు నా ధన్యవాదాలు.
శివి చక్రవర్తి తన దేహంలోని మొత్తం మాంసం వేసినప్పటికీ పావురం బరువుతో సరిపోలేదు.
విహగోత్తమ, ఎంత మాంసం వేసినా పావురంతో సరిపోవడం లేదు కాబట్టి నేను నన్ను పూర్తిగా అర్పించుకుంటున్నాను.
ఇంద్రుడు అగ్ని వారి నిజ స్వరూపాల్లో దర్శనమిచ్చి,
నీ ధైర్య శౌర్య గుణాలు చాలా గొప్పవి. ఇవి నీలాంటి వారికే సాధ్యం. కావున నీ కీర్తి శాశ్వతంగా నిలిచి ఉంటుంది.
అవును, నీ ధైర్య శౌర్య గుణాలు శాశ్వతంగా నిలుస్తాయి. తథాస్తు.
శివి చక్రవర్తి గొప్ప త్యాగాన్ని చూశారు కదా. పరోపకారార్థమిదం శరీరం అంటారు పెద్దలు. అంటే మన కోసం మనం జీవించడం కన్నా ఇతరుల కోసం జీవించడంలో జీవితానికి పరమార్థం ఉంటుంది. వీలైనంత వరకు ఇతరులకు మేలు చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నించాలి. మేలు చేసిన వారి పట్ల కృతజ్ఞతా భావన కలిగి ఉండాలి. ధన్యవాదాలు.
The Indian veena has always been considered as an instrument of gods, and hence the name divine instrument has been attributed to it. From the earliest times, the veena has been a guiding star for the development of Indian music in general. Let us now welcome our friend Sirisha from class 9, who is going to present a Bollywood song on veena.
Good evening, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Sirisha from class 9. Today I am going to play Har Ghadi Badal Rahi Hai from Kal Ho Na Ho. The song rightly conveys that we should appreciate even the smallest things that we have right now. This very moment may not be there tomorrow. So live every moment to the fullest and be grateful for what we have in our lives. This veena, which is more than 60 years old, was used by my grandmother when she was a child. I am grateful to her for motivating my parents to make me learn veena. I am also thankful to Gopi sir for teaching me veena. Thank you Sarita auntie and Anita auntie for giving me an opportunity to perform in the first virtual annual day. Thank you.
What we have seen is but a glimpse of the divine reference of this ancient musical instrument, which is a precious part of the priceless heritage of India. Thank you, Sirisha.
This uplifting dance by the students of class 8 conveys the message of how gratitude can make tough days easy. It highlights the different aspects of life that we can be grateful for. Being kind, happy, and righteous will be the positive changes that you will experience when you start being grateful. It will surely bring a smile on your face.
Everybody gets a heart, everybody gets a soul, everybody gets a mind to let them know that we can be smart, that we can be kind, and we can be living by giving and loving all the time. So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. Everybody gets the land, and everybody gets a seed. So everybody lend a hand to those in need. 'Cause we can be nice,
We can be nice.
we can all share, and we can keep growing together. It's better when everyone cares. So on the days when it's feeling tough, and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family, and grateful for the air that we breathe, and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, you got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. So, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my family. I am thankful for my neighbor. I'm thankful for my dog. I'm thankful for the food I have to eat. I'm thankful for my heart. I'm thankful for my teacher. I'm thankful for the earth.
So on the days when it's feeling tough, and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family, and grateful for the air that we breathe, and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, you got a lot to be thankful for.
Thankful.
Yeah, you got a lot to be thankful for.
Grateful.
We've got a lot to be thankful for.
Appreciate.
Yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. Alright, we've got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for.
That was an incredible performance. Let us give our friends a hearty round of applause.
This simple yet meaningful skit shows us how we must appreciate what we have and not constantly crave for more. Yes, it is natural to desire and want better things, but we must first have gratitude for what we already have. It shows how gratitude affects our overall mental health and makes us feel abundant. On the other hand, it breaks the social barriers and shows the childish innocence when faced with dilemmas. It shows us that just a simple change in our attitude will push the happiness quotient a few notches higher.
Good evening, parents and esteemed guests. Today, we, the students of Class 8, would present to you a skit highlighting how life can be made easy with just a simple change in attitude. I'm the narrator Prajwal, and narrating along with me is Aishwarya. We present you Gracias, with the roles as follows. Arish's role being portrayed by Saket, Arish's father's role being portrayed by Yashwant, Arish's mother's role being portrayed by Apurva, and Ketaki's role being portrayed by Anjali. So, let us begin. Once there lived a boy named Arish. He was the school star, as he was good at studies and sports. But he had only one fault. Let us see what happened one normal Sunday morning that changed Arish's life forever.
Amma, Nana, I need to ask you something. See, I saw Anna's iPhone 11 with the video call with Atta yesterday. I was hoping that I could get one for myself. See, it has so many cool features, and I think It's time for me to have my own phone.
Let us think about it, beta. It is a big responsibility and you need to have control over your screen time. Maybe in a few years of time.
Yes, what your mom says is right.
What? Come on! I'm ready for it. I really want it. Please! What is the problem?
Hold your tongue.
There'll be no further discussion on this topic.
Why not? I get good marks and I do well in sports. I never do anything wrong. I'm ready for a phone. Why don't you understand?
Listen to your dad.
No, I hate you. My friends' parents listen to them and they all have mobiles.
Go to your bedroom. You stop being so unruly.
Ugh, I hate my life.
Arush storms off into his room.
Arush, go to the market and get some vegetables. Here is the list.
Fine.
Words have power, you know.
What?
Boys belonged to Ketaki, the Tyler Sana's daughter. Ketaki was much more mature than Kitsari.
Firstly, I'm Ketaki. Who are you?
Who are you? Why do you want to talk with me?
I am just a listener. Sometimes letting out our feelings helps. Be free with me.
I am Arush.
So, Arush, what's the problem?
Arush explains what happened at home.
Ah, I see. I know it seems like the worst thing in the world right now, but it really isn't. There's a lot of other things going on in people's lives right now. Frankly, it's quite selfish of you.
Are you trying to say your life is horrible compared to mine?
No, not at all. I love my life. I have so many blessings. You are very lucky also. But that's just the difference between us. I feel so blessed to have the clothes, the books, the schooling I receive.
I see what you mean, but I do want the phone.
Hey, it's not wrong to want something. Everyone does. It gives purpose to your life. But if you want something because you don't want what you do have, it just becomes hard for you. How about let's try making a list of everything there is to be grateful for.
Mother, father, books, clothes.
Come on, there's a lot more than that. Love, food, each and every family member, friend, even bad experiences teach you something. Company.
My companies, I pay them.
So, they're still serving you now? Okay, let me go. My friends Adya, Anirudh, Meher, Rida, Adi, my mother, my grandmother, our mother's store, our customers, Prerna ma'am, Ishita ma'am, Neha ma'am, Gayatri ma'am, Mehmet sir, Joseph sir, my pen, my school bag, my eraser, my pencil box, the family computer.
That's very specific.
But this makes me feel like I have so much, and I do.
Let me try out and write my own list.
Arush writes a huge list.
Wow! I took all these for granted and I didn't even realize that I need to be grateful for the facilities of food and water.
Exactly. So now you understand the importance of each and everything you have?
Yes, I shouldn't have behaved like that. Thank you so much. I learned a lot from you.
My pleasure. I think you should go and apologize to your parents. It's incredibly important not to lose those special people in your life who love and care for you.
Yes, I will for sure apologize to them. Thank you so much.
Arush got the vegetables and rushed home. He entered his house and started searching for his parents.
Amma, Nana, where are you both?
We are in your room, beta.
We are sorry for shouting at you. Come and check the model of the mobile.
No, Nana, I want to apologize. Instead of being grateful for what I have, I was selfish and wanted whatever others had. I'm sorry, Amma, Nana.
We are incredibly proud of you, beta. It's so true. We have so much to be grateful for. What changed your mind?
A very special friend of mine.
The end. We need to be grateful for everything we have. We have so much more than we believe. We have our friends, families, teachers who care a lot about us. Doctors, farmers, carpenters, whom we don't even recognize do a lot of things for us. We shouldn't miss any opportunity to show them how thankful and grateful we are for them. We need to be thankful for all the little things in our life like food, water, shelter, earth, the sun, and many more things because we cannot live without them. Think before you complain about something if it is worth complaining. We need to use our words very carefully. We might lose a very important person if we slip our tongue. It is okay if we want something, but we shouldn't want something because we are not happy with what we have or we don't want what we have. So from now on, let us say that simple thank you whenever someone helps us. Like you, the audience. Thank you.
Let us look back at the events that took place in the year 2020 and relive them.
Whenever there's a human in need, there's an opportunity to show kindness and a chance to make a difference. We, the students of Class 9, are here to present a skit named To Be Kind or Not to Be Kind.
Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, lived a ruler named King Kindness. He always showed kindness and fairness to all people, no matter their status in life. He was well liked and had many friends. On one royal morning,
Well, good morning, fellow guard. How are you this lovely morning?
Just fine, Your Majesty. Thank you for asking.
What's on the agenda this morning?
A shepherdess has a problem and would like to speak to you.
Please show her in.
Oh, Royal King! My sheep! My sheep!
Take your time, good fellow. Take your time.
My sheep are running out of the grazing area. If they run out of the grazing area, they will starve. If they starve, they'll die. If they die, I'm out of a job. If I'm out of a job, I'll...
Calm down, calm down. Everything will be fine. Just take what you need from your land. I have more than what I need.
Thank you, dear king. How can I repay you?
We're taking care of our kingdom's sheep. That is all.
I will. Thank you, your majesty. You're so kind.
Your Majesty, this slave was caught running from his master. What do I do?
Bring in the master, please. Tell me, why has your slave tried to run away?
Well, O royal one, he was asking for more grain to feed his slave family. I of course said no. Why would a slave family require more grain? It would only take away from the rich.
Slave, is that true?
You are going to let a slave speak? He doesn't even have that right.
They do in my kingdom. Now please tell me, is this true?
Yes, O king, my family was hungry. We have worked blood, sweat, tears in the fields, but never received enough grain for one day's meal. I was running away trying to save my family from starvation. So please help us.
I am very disappointed. Your slaves are there to serve you, yet you do not show them any kindness in sharing grain. I grant your slaves freedom from you and as much grain as they need.
But king, that would be over half of my property. Please reconsider.
This is final. Maybe next time you'll show more kindness in your decisions.
As the years passed, the king continued to show much kindness in all his decisions in his kingdom. The people loved him and his kingdom prospered. Then one very, very sad day, King Kindness died at a very ripe old age. Unfortunately, King Kindness had only one heir, and that was his nephew King Meanness. He took over the kingdom and treated the people poorly without any kindness. He had few friends, if any, and many enemies.
God, where is that good for nothing God? God!
Yes, sir.
What problem await me today?
Well, sir, I'm glad you asked because
Just tell me.
a shepherdess is here to speak to you about a problem. She is.
Oh, just show her in and let's get this over.
Oh, Your Majesty, I am in great need of your help.
Who isn't?
My sheep will soon run out of grazing area and they'll surely die of starvation without more land.
What do you expect me to do? Give a land? Give a small shepherd land? Now go, this is your problem.
But King, I need your help, or else...
Go, you tire me. God, take her away. How absurd. Me, a mighty king, has giving land away? Never.
Your Majesty, this slave was caught running away from our master. What do I do?
I know everything. Just throw him in prison. Of course.
O king, I was only running away to find food for my family. Please not the prison, sire. My family will never survive. They need your help.
I told you to speak. I heard a slave speak to me. A slave speaking to royalty. The king. You are not worthy to kiss the land I walk on. God, throw him in prison.
But, sire, don't you want to hear the whole story?
I have not made myself clear. He is a slave. Now take him away. Why do I have to put up with that guard? Don't you want to hear the whole story? If I wanted to hear the whole story, I would have asked to hear the whole story.
King Meanness continued to treat people in this way. He only got meaner and meaner. It made the people lose hope in their king and they all started to move away, only leaving the old and the weak who were unable to move. His kingdom was growing smaller and the enemies were growing larger.
Okay, bad news. Bad news. It's just terrible and horrible. Just wait until you hear this.
Just tell me already.
An army is marching in from the north to take away a kingdom. What should we do?
Just gather up my army.
But king, I am your army.
What? Then just gather all the people to form an army.
What people, sir? The only people in your kingdom are the old and the weak. The rest have moved away.
What do? I will lose my castle. I will lose my lands. I will lose my kingdom. I will lose everything.
And you lost me.
Where's my army? Where are my people? No, let me go.
What we do makes a difference, and we have to decide what difference we have to make. Kindness is more than deeds. It is an attitude and expression. It is anything that lifts another person. It is a mark we leave behind. It is free to give but priceless to take. One who is kind is sympathetic and gentle with others. He is considerate of others' feelings and courteous in his behavior. 3 things are very important in human life. First is to be kind. Second is to be kinder. Third is to be the kindest of all.
was a marvelous show. Let us give a big round of applause for the performers.
That was a lovely show, children. I mean, amazing how you managed to put so much positivity, pack so much positivity into one show. I think we'll all go to bed today with a lot of good thoughts, positive messages that you've given us. And hopefully they linger on and stay with us for a long time. So I'm sure the same emotions are, surfacing in your parents' minds. But I would love to share a few words before I hear from them. So, good evening, parents. I'm glad we could all be together to watch this beautiful show put up by this children and teachers of class 8 and class 9. So, warm welcome to all of you, our guests and the teachers. It's a lovely gathering that we have today, and although we missed the hustle and bustle of the auditorium, I think you did give us a feel of an annual day, and it did serve its original objective of showcasing your talent and building up your confidence and presentation skills and giving you that welcome break from your academic routine. As we come to the end of the second term, I can only feel thankful about the manner in which the teachers salvaged 2020 to take a curriculum that was entirely classroom and live and physical, based on textual content, and to make it digital and online is not a small task. It took a lot of learning, relearning, and long hours of tutorials and brainstorming about how to reach the children effectively. But bit by bit, I think we managed to move everything online. Your classes, activities, assessments, PT, assembly, competitions, festivals, class parties, celebrations, and now the annual day too. So it is no mean achievement and definitely calls for a big round of applause for the teachers who made it possible. I think it is totally in the order of things that I request Durga to turn the spotlight on the teachers who are the real heroes
Yes, ma'am.
of this year and of this particular evening. Mrs. Lakshmi Sharma, our academic in charge, combines in herself the experience of years of teaching along with the eagerness of a fresher. She's always ready to learn. She's been an example for us in the manner she has adapted to the online teaching. She's untethered by the challenge of technology and has used it to her students' advantage. Even as she disciplines the children, she exudes warmth and compassion. Thank you, Lakshmi Sharma ma'am. Mrs. Sarita has the attributes of the finest teachers with wide-ranging interest in many subjects that she teaches. English, and strives to kindle an interest in English literature and her choice of teaching method. She has the attributes of the finest teachers, and she's got a wide range interest in many subjects, but her main subject is English, and she strives to kindle an interest in English literature, and her choice of teaching methods is eclectic. She is truly a friend, philosopher, and guide to her students, and shares a great rapport and bonding with them. And they love her and respect her tremendously. Thank you, Sarita. Thank you so much. Mrs. Durga has a deep interest in science and loves to delve into the topics and engage the children's imagination. Under her guidance, we look to grooming the children to forever ask questions of why, how, and what, and have a curious and inquiring bent of mind. Yeah, long way to go, Durga. A lot of expectations from you. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Shashidhar sir has an impressive repertoire of teaching. Having worked with children and trained them at competitive levels, he has tremendous experience to guide classes 7, 8, 9 in the intricacies of math and physics. Thank you, sir. Expecting a lot from you too. And his recent project where he had the children come up with these amazing videos on math, I think really brought out a lot of interest in the subject among the children. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Mrs. Kalyani, in her gentle ways, encourages her children to excel. It is rare that she loses her composure. Always encouraging and reaching out to the children, she puts in a lot of hard work into her students and never gives up on them. They are extremely lucky to have her. Thank you, Kalyani. Satyavati Garu has joined us for Telugu this year and is very sincere and true to her work. She has behind her immense knowledge and depth of experience that will surely generate an interest in the subject in the minds of the children. Thank you, Satyavati Garu, and wishing you all the best. Usha D started off shakily but has grown in confidence. With the support received from school, she's become more comfortable with the online setup and is doing very well with the Hindi instruction. Thank you, Usha ji. Mrs. Sirisha, a computer science in charge, has been doing a commendable job across all classes. The children love her, for she introduces them to the features and functioning of computers and the digital world, which excites all of them. Thank you, Sirisha. Pravalika has been very adept at handling the third language classes, Telugu. She teaches Telugu, and it's her endeavor to generate an interest in Telugu in those children for whom Telugu is not native. So all the best, Pravalika. Parveen Auntie is a favorite with the children, and even though Hindi is a very daunting language, I think she puts the children at ease and creates a very friendly atmosphere in the class. All the best, Parveen. Mallesh sir has tried very hard to keep the children fighting fit in the course of the PT classes. So we thank him immensely, because I think that is a big concern for all of us. How do we keep the children fit and active? So we thank him and look forward to the children participating more eagerly in the PT classes. And of course, our back-end team of Mr. Lingam, Mr. Suresh, Mrs. Uma, and all the helper staff at school for keeping the show going. Sirisha, our tech in charge, has been a tremendous support in in ensuring that we make the transition from offline to online. She's always encouraging us and supporting us whenever we needed her the most. She's put in tremendous effort from her end and has been a blessing for the entire team of Daksha. In today's show and a lot of activities and presentations this year, she's contributed immensely. So thank you, Siri, for all your support. And of course, Mrs. Radhika is always there with a ready smile and a quick wit to liven things for us. She's pitched in every department of the online sessions. She's helped in hosting sessions, music classes, giving teachers much needed tech support, counseling children, and ensuring that there is no absenteeism in the classes. Always ready with a helping hand, she's been the support system of the entire school. Her work is mostly behind the scenes and doesn't meet the eye, but is much appreciated by all of us. Thank you, Radhika.
Thanks a lot, Amita. Thanks, everyone.
And of course, parents, the pandemic has once again reinforced the importance of the parent-teacher partnership in nurturing children. You've been our strongest ally in making learning possible. Without your cooperation and your quick responses to all our requests, this year would not have been possible. This year, we have leaned on you immensely. You have come up winners. Kudos to all of you for being such amazing parents and for partnering the teachers this year. Our heartfelt gratitude to you. And finally, a big thank you to the children who lend a lot of meaning and purpose to our days and to our work, especially in these days of uncertainty and pain where we are hearing a lot of negativity and sadness and uncertainty. It's been therapeutic working with the children. They've responded to each and every activity, lesson, presentation, and of course, the grandest of them all, the annual day that has just been put before you and with tremendous enthusiasm. To all of you children, my words of advice on this special occasion are that continue to do the good work. Always know that your parents and your teachers have your back. We are there for you to come back to no matter what. Just as we appreciate your strengths, we totally understand your shortcomings and your indiscretions, the minor mistakes that happen or the major mistakes that happen. Know that your teachers and your parents are your best support system in this journey of discovering the right from the wrong. The social media, though very attractive, is very addictive. Not just for you kids, even for us grown-ups too. Especially in these days of online learning, do have the discipline of staying on course. Do not get carried away by anything you see or read online, no matter how attractive or tempting it looks. Make your parents, your teachers, and your close friends your sounding board when you're in a doubt. Know that you are loved no matter what. So wishing you children the very best as we go ahead to complete the year, and wishing all the parents here and all the guests here joyful, happy, and healthier times ahead. God bless us all. Thank you so much. And would love to hear from you parents, your thoughts on this after having witnessed this beautiful show put up by the kids. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm farthest away from you guys, so I'll start.
Yes, please.
It was a wonderful show. I'm glad I was able to watch it. So thanks to all the teachers and the children. The children's talents are quite amazing. The variety of things I got to see in less than an hour. Singing and dancing and acting skills. Photography. Photography is a hobby of mine, so I was very happy to see a few clips of the photos that the children took, and they were very nicely done. So I was very happy to see how it. I'm actually amazed at the skill of the editing of all the videos, how they were put together, because even I don't know how to do it, and I'm a professor myself, and I've taught this year using Zoom like most other people, but I don't know that I can do what you guys just did, which was with the children acting on their own but talking to each other and all of that being edited and put together. I think that was a great job. So given the circumstances, it's amazing that you guys pulled it off. So congratulations.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Yeah. And yes, the editing and putting together has been done by the children themselves. So yeah, hats off to them.
Okay. That's even better.
Ankit, Kanian, all the children who have contributed. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for your feedback.
Shripad and Yashwant also pitched in.
Shripad, Yashwant,
Rohan Sai,
Sandeep, Kanian, Rohan Sai,
and
all
Deepesh.
those of you, Deepesh. And I think you've reached out and helped the teachers of other classes too, which is amazing. I really love the way you've taken responsibility, children. Wonderful. We would love to hear from the other parents. If you'd like to speak your heart.
Hello, madam. This is Suresh here.
Yes, good evening, Mr. Suresh.
Good evening, madam. I really wanted to appreciate all the teachers for putting in very, very hard work to ensure that this year is taught as a regular year. And I know it is a lot of hard work for all the teachers in terms of preparations, because I myself can understand how much effort is going on in all these classes. Both I have two daughters, Sirisha and Srivalli. Both the classes I really now I'm a part of these students, the classes again, and I'm seeing how nicely the teachers are really teaching. I only wished I could have better teachers at my time. While
Wow.
I don't think our teachers are no less than these teachers, but it is like going back to the school and then trying to learn. So I also drop in for some of those maths and physics, eavesdrop into those conversations, and I find it very interesting. So I again really from the bottom of my heart thank all the teachers and your team for making sure that the teachers are for the students are really getting what they should be getting. Now we have absolutely no problem in worrying when the school reopens. We don't have to worry about how the teaching is going to happen, because we ourselves have experienced it firsthand. Thank you so much.
So much, yeah. I think all the teachers, all our teaching methods were under the scanner the last 9 months. And yes, glad to hear that. Yeah. So, any other parents wanting to share their feelings?
Good evening, Anita. This is Gladys.
Gladys.
Yeah. I want to thank all the teachers who are taking care of our kids. You are not just teaching them the academics, but you are seeing that the children are engaged, they are happy, they are entertained. Thank you very much for that, all the teachers. And next, I want to thank all the children for this amazing and lovely performance. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gladys. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I would like to pitch in and thank Gladys for the green screen that she shared with us, without which our skit wouldn't have come out in such a grand way or such a good way.
Lovely.
It's all because of her.
Thank you, Gladys. Thank you,
You're
Gladys.
welcome. You're welcome. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this event. And thanks to all of you, all the teachers, Radhika ma'am, Anita ma'am, Sarita ma'am, everyone here. The children have done a great job. And thanks for making this event happen for all the children. Not missing the annual function this year. And the classes are really going good. That's what we feel as parents. The children are engaged and they're not getting bored. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much for the feedback.
I'm Shripad's mother.
Sirisha.
Yeah, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am, and good evening, all. No words to express except thank you. The theme chosen, gratitude, it makes everyone to think about it. What we are thankful for everything. I would like to thank each and everyone.
Thank you. Small word, but conveys a lot. These batches of 8th and 9th are very close to our heart because we've seen you from your tender years, right from your pre-primary. So you'll always be close to us.
Chindan, proud of you. Wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for making time and being a part of this event, Kamakshi, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure, my pleasure. I wouldn't miss this batch.
We wouldn't miss this batch here.
Got another video to share.
can we go on to the vote of thanks?
Today's event comes to a close as we end Daksha's first ever virtual annual day. On behalf of classes 8 and 9, I would like to thank the teachers for everything they've done throughout the year and for this fine evening. Their contributions are very valuable to every single one of us, and they are one of the main reasons for us to turn out as better individuals every year. We also thank the school management for giving us this amazing opportunity. Anita Aunty is a key person in our lives. She has played a very important role in making us who we are, and that's why we also lend our gratitude to her, without whom this program would not have gone this well. We cannot go a day without mentioning how special our friends are. They are an integral part of our life, and the gratitude we have for each other is immense. And finally, we thank all the parents and guardians present here for all the love and support you have for us. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Love to see all the comments that you put in here, parents, in the chat. Thank you so much on behalf of all the teachers, Mrs. Lakshmi Sharma, Durga, Shashidhar sir, all of you, all the teachers who've joined in here. Thank you for joining us this evening, and look forward to your cooperation, your support in the times to come. Thank you so much.